According to Alexa blockchain, market sentiment has returned to a neutral stance after a tumultuous August. Despite the current price recovery, there's still uncertainty in the market, particularly with potential upcoming U.S. economic policies. However, the sustained interest from institutional investors, as seen through substantial ETF inflows, suggests that Bitcoin still holds strong appeal as an alternative investment, potentially cushioning it against market downturns. These stories suggest that Bitcoin is in a phase of potential consolidation before a major move, possibly driven by macroeconomic factors like interest rate cuts and continued institutional interest. Investors and traders should keep an eye on the Fed's next moves and Bitcoin's behavior around key technical levels to anticipate market directions for the coming weeks. The Bitcoin Ape forecast is for Bitcoin to continue traveling sideways for the next 2 weeks, then reaching $69,000 sometime in October and November. I recommend to BTFD and HODL just as we were told in the beginning. This is a great chance for you to lower your Bitcoin average price if you're above $60,000. There are bargains to be had. Bitcoin will not reach $100,000 in 2024 as many have forecasted. Instead, Bitcoin will fight unknown downward pressure that will keep it from moving beyond $75,000 if it ever reaches it at all. My advice? Stay strong. Divide your bankroll by 6. Example, if your bankroll is $1,200, you will divide $1,200 by 6 for a total of $200 a trade. If your average Bitcoin is more than $60,000, begin to buy at 1,500 point drops. This will have you buying Bitcoin at $200 increments down to approximately $49,000 or $50,000. Once you have depleted your bankroll, continue to HODL. Once Bitcoin begins to move above your average, you can decide if you want to start taking profits or continue to hold for the long term. You must have the stomach to take the ride down and be willing to wait to take profits, however long that might be.